Hey, Southwest 212. It's a short Wednesday. Let's get going on a video. But before I do that, it's time for a little bit about Mr. Jerdy. And this is something that I made a long time ago. I actually bought this. It's an Empire State Building. This is a building I always wanted to go to the very top of. And so on my honeymoon, we went to the top of this Empire State Building. There's two places you can go in the Empire State Building. There's this outside observation deck right here. You can go all the way around the building right here on this outside edge. And then there's this right up in here. This is like a glass dome where you can like kind of look out and it's even higher up. Super cool because it's one of the tallest buildings ever and it's like 80 years old. Or older. Might be older than 80 years. I think it was built in the 20s, 1920s. Yeah, it's a cool building. If you've never been there, you should go there and try it out. It's awesome. All right. Let's do a little vid. Looks like I'm doing this in orange. All right, let's figure out what the slope of this is and figure out what the y-intercept is and translate what it means. So to find the slope, I'm going to see what the numbers on the top go by and the numbers on the bottom go by. It looks like it's going up by plus 50 every time. On the bottom, it looks like it's going up by 4 every time. So I should be able to fill in this empty box at the end. That should be a 16. And we can write our slope. 4 over 50. Got to remember the bottom number goes on top. So 4 over 50, I need to say what that means. That means when you have 50 students, you need 4 chaperones. So I'm going to reduce that down to every 25 students, you need 2 chaperones. The y-intercept right here at 0. This one actually makes sense. If there's 0 students, there's no chaperones. So 0, what does that mean? You don't need any chaperones if there's no students. No students. You don't need any chaperones. And we'll write our equation, putting the slope and the b right into the equation there. This was m. This is b, so we have y equals 4 over 50 x plus 0. You don't have to write the plus 0, but I'm going to put it there. Southwest 212, over and out.